So to level up this surface plate, I have a bunch of these machinist vise, I guess is what they're called. I'm not sure. I found them in a box of other tools that I got. I've got 3 of them under here to level up the surface plate. They work really well. You can turn them just a little bit, just barely moves the plate. But anyway, so to level up the base of this, I just place one off of here. Bring this over so it's on the edge. Then I can move this up or down to get this leveled off how I need. I just arbitrarily picked a spot to start leveling from. This area through here was kind of the, I guess, the lowest spot of everything as I was going along here. So I picked that and leveled it in both directions. You know, and I'm not really sure if this is the best way to do this. I just don't have a big enough plate. I think this is a 9 by 12. It's the only thing I have access to that's flat at all. And I just run this through here and just would read the high spots. Mark them on there with a Sharpie, and then take the whole thing over to my vise and actually I used an angle grinder for a lot of it because some of these were so, this one was off quite a bit compared to everything else that was on. You can kind of see how it went, but and then once I got close to within about a thousandths, then I switched to actually scraping, which seemed to work pretty well. It's pretty close. You can see I haven't done the other side yet. I'll flip that over. You can see I've set up a little bit on here and found some of the lowest spots, but you can see some of these are, what's that one? That's off by 18 thousandths. But I'll do the same thing. Go through with my angle grinder and just get them really close first. This doesn't have to be perfect like the other side does. This is going to have the bases attached to it. And when I go to start to get this downside flat by actually using the surface plate with the marking paint, and again, I'm not sure if this is the right way to do this or not, but I picked on this opposite side here where I know it's my lowest mark, and I put that on the edge. I put that on the edge here, and I don't really move it. I just barely move this back and forth so I don't get off of this 0 mark. And anything that's blue in this area through here, I just don't remove it because I know that's the lowest part on there. I've just been removing it from this side here, and it's getting pretty close. I'm starting to get the marks all the way coming across now. So, and then I haven't done it yet, but I'll just flip and do the other side by keeping about the same. It'll be a little tougher because this is going to be a lot more hanging off the edge, but I'll try to use this as a reference mark again. And like I said, I'm not sure if that's the right way to do this or not. If somebody knows a better way, that'd be nice to know. This is my only flat marking tool or surface I have, so this is what I'm limited to. So it's taken a little bit longer, I think, than if I had a bigger surface plate, but that's what I've got.